Experience the refined power of the Nike Dunk Low Retro Premium Army Olive, a modern twist on an 80s icon. Wrapped in richly textured leather with layered olive tones, this pair delivers a rugged yet sophisticated streetwear vibe. The muted swoosh blends smoothly with the upper, while its subtle shine adds quiet presence. A sleek black midsole anchors the shoe, enhancing stability and giving the olive colorway a bold contrast. Deep outsole grooves boost grip and movement for daily wear. From its matte laces to its curved toe box and multi-layered heel stitching, every detail brings depth, balance, and premium construction. Built from basketball heritage and refined for lifestyle fashion, the Army Olive Dunk Low offers a calm but confident look that elevates any outfit. Perfect for sneaker collectors, Nike fans, and anyone searching for a clean, versatile, and modern dunk colorway.